I'm Wendy Powell, founder of MUTU System. If you're responsible for talent retention, leadership development, or workplace well-being, there's a group of women you can't afford to overlook: midlife employees navigating perimenopause and menopause. These women are often your most experienced talent. They are mentors, managers, leaders, and many are dealing with physical challenges that are affecting how they show up, lead, and perform, but they're not saying a word. Because the real symptoms of menopause that affect workplace performance, they're not the ones most people talk about. What's really going on at midlife for many women? Menopause isn't defined solely by hot flushes or mood swings. It's about a loss of strength, stability, and control in the core and pelvic floor. Why is that? Because declining estrogen levels during perimenopause and menopause lead to loss of muscle mass in the deep abdominal and pelvic floor muscles, weakened connective tissue, which increases the risk of prolapse or urinary incontinence, decreased coordination and control of the muscles that hold you up, hold you in, and help you move, changes in posture and balance resulting in pain, fatigue, and loss of confidence in physical presence. These aren't health issues in the abstract. These are work issues. Because when a woman doesn't feel physically stable, when she's worried about bladder leaks or can't stand or sit comfortably through a meeting, it affects everything. She stops speaking up, stops traveling, declines promotion, or quietly leaves. The business impact of physical discomfort. Let's be clear, this isn't about lack of motivation, it's about mechanics. Women avoiding long meetings or team events because of pelvic discomfort or urgency, turning down travel or presentations because of fear of leaks, reducing visibility in leadership spaces because they feel physically vulnerable, and often they will never tell anyone why. They might say, "I'm not feeling 100%, or "I'd prefer not to travel." But they won't say, "My pelvic floor feels unstable," or "I don't trust my body right now." And so it gets missed, and talent quietly exits the room. Why standard menopause support falls short. Awareness campaigns and menopause policies are a great start, but they don't solve pelvic floor weakness. Flexible hours are helpful, but they don't rebuild core stability. Access to therapy is very valuable, but it won't resolve urinary incontinence. Wellness webinars can't restore postural strength or mobility. You don't solve physical function problems with posters. What midlife women need is targeted, discreet, and effective physical support, delivered in a way that doesn't require them to out themselves, to ask for special treatment, or attend an awkward class in a public setting. This is what MUTU delivers. MUTU System is the pelvic health solution for midlife women at work. MUTU is a clinically proven digital program built to restore strength and pelvic floor function. It is endorsed and contracted by the NHS, ORCA approved and independently evaluated, designed for privacy and for ease of access, built specifically for life stages such as perimenopause and menopause. MUTU isn't about fitness or aesthetics. It's about function, sitting through meetings comfortably, speaking confidently without worrying about bladder leaks, walking, traveling, leading, and living without holding back. In our NHS evaluation, 100% of participants improved their ability to engage their pelvic floor. Over 90% would recommend MUTU to others with the same symptom. Women reported stronger cores, fewer leaks, less pain and discomfort, and greater confidence. This is what physical support looks like, and it works. Real life impact from women using MUTU. I stopped skipping team strategy days and client dinners, not because my schedule changed, but because I finally felt in control of my body again. I used to plan my whole day around the bathroom. Now I don't even think about it. I show up, I lead, I travel. That confidence has come back. This is not an abstract well-being benefit. It's a direct line to performance, participation, and leadership retention. What employers gain. When you support physical confidence, you unlock stronger retention, especially in midlife leadership, improved engagement and morale, reduced sick leave and absenteeism, a more inclusive culture where women don't have to choose between health and career opportunities. Companies that invest in women's health see improved performance across the board, and midlife is a critical retention. Supporting women at this stage means protecting your leadership pipeline. MUTU at work is easy to offer and easy to use. MUTU can be implemented as a menopause-specific benefit, as part of a wider corporate well-being strategy, or as an optional self-managed program for all women over 40. We provide GDPR-compliant onboarding and engagement tracking, engagement and communication support, optional at-home kit bags for users, ongoing insights and employer reporting. Women get a full year's access to the workouts, the community, and the full support, with private logins and full flexibility to work the program into their daily life. You get an engaged, supported workforce and leadership that doesn't quietly walk away. Menopause support can't stop at awareness. It has to address the physical realities of what women are experiencing in their body, especially the loss of core strength and pelvic control. Because when you restore that, you restore more than health. You restore participation, performance, confidence, and presence. That's how you keep your best people. Offer support that works. Offer MUTU.